My name is Conan Stark. I'm an artist from the region of Waterloo who specializes in digital photography and illustration. My Elmira is a place I started visiting when I moved to the region in the 1980s from Northern Ontario. I illustrated the Ferguson 2085 to represent the long-standing connection Elmira has with agriculture. I chose to make the illustration bright and colorful and use fine details to symbolize the level of dedication and care the agriculture community puts into their work. I used a crisp digital style to illustrate an older style tractor on purpose. And I wanted to speak to the notion that agriculture isn't an archaic practice, but one that's really central to our communities today and really needs to be considered as a way to enrich our communities, not only now but as we move forward.